Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to implement Google reCAPTCHA V2 in your contact us form. So let's get started with the example. Okay, so I already downloaded fresh Laravel application. Okay, and also I created a simple form over here. You can see that, and if I hit submit, you can see that I already implemented validation. So if you don't know how to create form and implement the form validation, then few days ago I already captured one video on it, like how to add form validation, so you can watch that one. Okay, so now what we will do, simply go here and you can see quick review. So you can see that I simply created get route, post route, and simply go here and created a controller that's called contact controller. You can see here and simply add the validation. Okay, and then you can see that there is a blad file contact form. Okay, over here you can see that simply created a form input. Okay, now when it submit, it will implement the validation. Okay, now what we will do, simply add Google reCAPTCHA v2 over here. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to simply go here in developers.google.com/reCAPTCHA documentation. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to add input over here. You can see that how you can add it. So first of all, you need to copy this. Okay, sorry, first of all, we will copy this. Okay, and if I go here, okay, paste it. Okay, and now if I go here, simply copy this. Okay, so what I will do, simply go here and paste it. Okay, and here I will say copy this line, we don't require. Okay, so and here I will say reCAPTCHA. Okay, so I will simply, okay, captcha and save it. Okay, so this is the added over here. Here we need to add your site key. Okay, so then let me go here and we need to create our website key. So how we can do it, let me go to the introduction page and there is a getting started. If I click on it, you can see that there is a already redirect me on admin page. Here I need to add our app name, so I will add Laravel app 1. Okay, and then I will choose v2 because we are choosing the v2, and I will use I am not robot. Okay, and here I will be simply add localhost because right now we don't have any domain name. So okay, and then if I click on submit, okay, it will create key and secret for our Google reCAPTCHA. So you can see that it's generated. Now I will copy it. Okay, and go to our env file. Here I will be set it out. Okay, so I will say Google underscore reCAPTCHA underscore key. Okay, and paste it. Okay, then I will copy the secret. Okay, and same thing I will say Google underscore reCAPTCHA underscore secret. Okay, and paste it. Okay, save it. So now you can go here, for example this key, I will go here and simply add the key over here. Okay, env, and I will directly tap from the env. Okay, and simply paste it over here. Okay, now what I need to do, now if I submit it, what I will get on the controller. So if I go to the documentation, there is a, you can see the verify the user response. So in the documentation they already provided, we are getting this input in the backend side. So what I will do, I will simply add over here, and here I will define the validation over here. Okay, like this way. Okay, so I will create. Okay, and here also I will display the message properly. Okay, using this input because backend side I will get this input name. Okay, now what I will do, I need to simply go to the documentation. They already display everything, like you need to call API request, and then you need to pass the secret, and the response you need to pass it. Okay, so what I will do, I will create our own custom validation rule in Laravel application. So I will run artisan command, artisan mac rule, and I will say reCAPTCHA. Okay, captcha and hit enter. You can see that reCAPTCHA. Okay, that's the rules we created over here. Okay, now what I will do, simply go here and there is a rules folder. Inside that, what I will do, I will simply use response, and here I will be use http facade, and here I will be pass this URL. Okay, and then I will simply say pass the argument, and where we pass following parameter secret. So what we already in setup in the env file, so I will get from the env simply. Okay, and simply copy from here Okay, and the next I will simply pass response. So response, that means what token we received from the input, so that's the value, so I will pass the value. Okay, and now I will say JSON, so I will get response in the JSON. Okay, so I will say JSON, and here I will be simply add DD, so we can see like what response we are getting. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now what I will do, I will simply use this validation over here into the form. So I will simply say use and app rules and the validation. Okay, and here what I need to do, simply new validation captcha. Okay, so simply added over here, and now if I go here, here also I need to use http above, so that's facade we need to use. Simply save it. Okay, and now rest of all validation right now I'm just making in comment. Okay, and now let me refresh the form. Okay, over here and refresh the form. Okay, let me run it again, the project. So php artisan sir. Okay, and refresh, and you can see that I am not robot, that the validation is coming. And if I click on submit, okay, you can see that success response is the false. So into the documentation they already provided like what is the response in JSON, like success true or false. Okay, so what is the reason false? Because we don't make yes. Okay, so now let me refresh it again. Okay, and let me make it yes. And now if I say like motorcycle, so I will say yes, this is all motorcycle. And yeah, let me do it again. So Google is asking now, and verify. Okay, and submit it. Now you can see that success is true and host name is localhost. So what you need to do, simply go here and add the way condition over here, like if response success is not true, that means we need to make it fail. Okay, so I will say simply fail, and here with the Google reCAPTCHA is not valid. Okay, simply I just give the message not validate and save it. Okay, and here I will simply remove it. Okay, so for example, now if I go here and simply hit refresh, okay, and hit submit, you can see that Google captcha is not validate, so that means this validation is working. Okay, and now if I go here and I will pass yes, and for example there it is straight stairs, I will select that. Okay, from here, yeah, yeah, and submit it. Okay, and here the breeze, so yeah, I will select that breeze. Okay, yeah, and submit, verified. And if I click on it, you can see that Google reCAPTCHA, you can see that code and it's validation true. So you can see here that I simply printed DD. So what you need to do, so now you can see here validation is true, so that's why it's coming with the all the values. So now I will make it enable. Okay, and make it refresh again. And yeah, what is there, yeah, comma, I forgot that. Simply save it. Okay, and now refresh it. Now you can see that I will pass the proper information over here, test, test, and I will make it yes robot. And if I click on it, you can see the proper all the information. Now you can store into the database and whatever you need to do it. So you can see that how easily you can implement like Google reCAPTCHA v2, like you can create our own custom validation rule and use that one. So I hope guys it helps this video. If this video is helps to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.